same color.
Really?
Yeah.
The white one? You know this purple one raced me on the freeway. Not purple, this pink one. I'm sorry. From the other Carmeet.
Should we go in the middle?
Yeah, shout out to this Challenger. I remember you on the freeway the other day. Oh, that shit hard, not the chandeliers. Nah, that's clean. This one? I ain't gonna lie, I thought this was a BMW at first. When I first glanced, yeah.
I think it's a spoiler in like the
really just the kind of hold back in. And the color, cause you know they got them colors too.
He be spitting big ass fucking flames, bro. I
real?
I was thinking on IG, bro. That's crazy. I almost ran out now. Look at that fucking stuff.
The one, yeah.
Black one, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I remember it still. Oh, this super. I'm about to check it out. Damn, here you go, some ideas. Look at the plate. That half and half, sweet.
Show. One of my fastest cars I ever had was a GTR. It had the Hennessy Stage 1 on it. Instead of 450 just almost 1,000. 0 to 60 was like 2.4.
Fucking radio up there? Oh, he be at Cars and Coffee. I seen him now. Damn. And I got the.
This was their first kit for the SEO.
They just took that one.
Yeah, this SEO setup is a little different. It's a little bit more like the Evos.
Hey, Brian. Look at the tail light. You heard that?
Oh God, that's convincing, bro.
That shit clean, right?
Hell yeah. Oh shit. Hell yeah. Oh, the Honda. Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Hell no. Niggas, the camera on me?
You can't say shit to me, bro.
Niggas like this.
Chill out.
Oh, fuck with y'all.
Nah, but don't worry, bro.
What, the bike?
No, the white Mustang.
Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna say Cam, yeah, Chevy's the best Cam.
So he says if it doesn't face this way, it faces this way. He says it's called a side plan, dude.
It sure is. Let me not leave this 300 out.
Let's see what kind of exhaust I gotta make sure.
Can't do it, motherfucker. I knew he was about to do that. I knew he was about to do that, bro. That's why I just stayed recording.
Hey, back it up. Hey, what's that, YouTube?
Yeah.
What's going on? What's going on, man? You know we hit him. What's your YouTube, bro?
On the shirt.
I'm
on the
good.
shirt.
The nigga got the merch already.
Yeah.
You know it. What the fuck?
Yeah. You doing YouTube? Who doing YouTube? What up, baby? What up? What up? What up? What's your shit? What's your name on there? Oh, my bad. But I gotta respect the cameraman too. You feel me? Hey, what's your shit though?
I got you with it.
Oh, all right, bet.
Hold on. You better edit that shit out. Oh god.
I got you. Ain't no problem.
I'll send it to you.
All right, bet.
Bro, I had a feeling like, I was like, is he actually revving it or what?
Hell no. All right. Hell no. Hey, nigga, hey. Go out the alternate way.
All right.
All right.
Don't go to jail.
Not tonight.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turn shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?